5234 Meadowcrest Road, June 25th, 2026. Furthest we can get our camera through the exterior sewer line due to a blockage in terracotta piping, approximately 30 feet from the house trap. Pulling back to the house trap now.